How's it going? So I'm going to explain how to use NPM install inside of the... Well, basically, if you want to run the code and you want to use NPM install, this is how to do it, right? So the first thing you need to understand is that Node.js environment automatically looks for package.json file. Okay, so for example, I'll give you an example. You see, for us to run, let's just do a simple console log. This is just okay. If we want to run this, we need to type. You see. Okay, so that's the first principle you have to understand. So if you just create package JSON like this, and then put like this main index.js, you see you can just do like this. Now the reason why it works is because Node.js automatically reads off package.json. Now what does that allow you to do? That allows you to simply npm install a framework. So let's do this framework here. npm install like this, right? So it gets installed. You see, we see dependencies, and node module has been added, right? So now we can simply do import. What is supposed to be like this? Now it's going to give us probably an error because we need to put type module. And then we're gonna run. Yeah, you see, cannot use import outside. So this type of syntax is used by ECM, which is EC modules, right? So we want to convert every single file into a module. So one way of do that, we can change the extension to MGS, or in package.json we can just type like this, type module, and then it will automatically convert every single JS in this repository into a module. Okay, so now if we run it, you will see it's working. This is the... Let's just run this in package. And then you see it's going to work in package. Bottom line, the secret sauce to this is that package.json gets automatically read by Node.js. And then you can do npm install. As long as package.json has the dependency, Node.js is going to automatically pick it up, and then you can utilize this type of stuff. So that's kind of the end of the video, but also I just want to mention that it's kind of like an extra. The reason why it works is because Node modules downloads the entire framework into the folder. All right. Inside the folder there is already, so this is an alias, right? That is pointing to the file where this framework exists. So this framework is physically inside of your computer, right? So because remember, there's only two ways how to utilize a framework, right? One way is you use a CDN, which you have to put into HTML, right, through the script. The browser downloads it, the browser uses it, right? Or you can download it onto the hard drive into a file, and then point to that file. So what this npm install does is exactly this thing, where it downloads the entire framework, puts it into a file, and then creates an alias. So every time you use something like import from this framework, it knows to access Node modules and access specific files where this framework sits. So this is why this works. Okay, but again, fundamentally, the secret sauce is that package.json automatically gets read by Node.js, so you don't have to do anything. Okay, take care. Bye bye.